Hey, I don't know about you, but staying focused for long stretches can be tough. There are always so many distractions, right? But I found some awesome tricks that actually work, and I share them with you in my channel. So in my channel, Pomodoro with Legends, I mix a super simple method called the Pomodoro Technique with some fun stuff and useful tips and tricks. You basically work for 25 or 50 minutes, then take a short break. It's like giving your brain little pit stops, and trust me, it really helps keep you focused and not burned out. And here's where it gets fun. You won't be doing it alone. I mean, imagine studying with Sherlock Holmes or Albus or Barbie by your side, keeping you company while you power through your tasks. It makes it so much easier, and honestly, way more fun with calming Lofi music. So whether you're doing a quick 25-minute session or trying to push through a 4-hour marathon, my videos have you covered with timers, lo-fi beats, and your favorite legends right there with you. But most important, you will receive useful informations like how to breathe, or how to simplify your study, and the best routines to achieve your goals. I am available every moment, so don't hesitate to comment and ask questions. And if you are happy with the channel, subscribe so that we can create a big community and help each other. Before you go, I want to suggest our playlist for 2-hour sessions with 25 minutes focus and 5 minutes break, clicking the link on the right top. If you instead prefer 4-hour sessions with 50 minutes focus and 10 minutes break, click the link on top. Enjoy, comment, like, and if you are happy with it, subscribe the channel.